What's up, Maxis? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Today we're taking a look at Terra and its recent price action, and make sure to watch the video till the end for a price prediction for the short and the long term as well. We would really appreciate it if you would like and subscribe so you don't miss any videos, and turn on bell notifications as well. We're posting 4 videos per day, so come back every day for daily updates and analysis, and make sure to comment down below for your chance to win a hardware wallet in our new monthly giveaway. Make sure to like, subscribe and comment to be eligible. Only 20% of viewers are subbed, so please tap that big red subscribe button. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description. Before we begin, we'd just like to say thank you so much to all of you for your support. You're all amazing. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. So as we can see, we got a massive rollover and capitulation for Terra. Taking a look at the hourly chart here, just taking a look at what's been happening. Obviously, since the last time that we took a look at Terra, it did seem as though it was holding a very nice blue support, a blue macro trend line here. But obviously, as you can see on the 19th of May, we got this massive capitulation and dump to the downside, where we came all the way back down to around, as low as around $4 here, which is absolutely insane. And it looks as though we basically came back down and used this support line. As we can see, we bounced up to around $5, and it seems as though we're testing and using that as a new support now. So if I just move this blue macro trend line to around here, this is probably going to be much more of a useful line to take a look at. So as we can see, Terra's obviously got absolutely destroyed recently. We just take a bit of a closer look at the chart and what happened. We were basically holding fairly strong at around these levels here, at around $15 or so. There was quite a long level of support here, strong level of support, sorry. But it seems as though obviously on the 19th of May, we got the wider capitulation in the market. We ripped straight down past this $13 level support, which looked quite strong as well. We came all the way down, basically ripped past this previous swing high as well, past this $8.50 mark, and we came all the way down and settled out around this $5 mark, as we can see. So this is a huge capitulation for Terra, considering that its all-time high is around $23 here. We're still down around 71% from the all-time high, which is absolutely insane, obviously. As we can see, we were basically doing okay, bouncing in and around this level here, between $18 and around $14.50, as we can see. But we were slowly starting to trade downwards, and then obviously we got this bearish flip of the EMAs, and boom, straight to the downside. We capitulated very quickly all the way down to this $8.50 level, where we found some support here at this previous swing high. But it does seem as though after this little relief rally, we couldn't break the 50 EMA, obviously. Came back down, couldn't even break the 20, kept trading down. But then obviously, as you can see, we did start to bottom out here as we basically got a leveling off of the price action. And then we did get this breakout of this descending wedge, which we've been looking at here, as you can see on the chart. It does look as though there is a descending wedge which has been formed. And now we seem to have finally broken out of it. Terra looks as though it hasn't really recovered anywhere near as much as other cryptocurrencies that we've been taking a look at, like Polygon, for example. It seems as though it's really starting to, it's slowly starting to find its foot, obviously, find its feet, sorry. We're really looking for this ABC reversal correction that we've seen for most cryptocurrencies. We're looking for it on Polygon, VeChain and everything else. And as you can see, we're basically making higher lows here, which we do think is very important, obviously. If we're making higher lows, then we are taking steps in the right direction. But it currently seems as though Terra is forming more of what looks like a bull pennant like this, or a pennant in general. So it remains to be seen if it will break to the upside or the downside. And this is mirroring largely what we're seeing with Bitcoin. Bitcoin is also forming somewhat of a pennant like this on its hourly time frame from what we've seen. So it does seem as though a decision will be made basically in the next few weeks as to what's going to happen in the wider market, if we're going to drop lower before a bounce, or if we're just going to head to the upside. Obviously, Bitcoin heads above 41k. We do think that a bounce to the upside for all cryptos is going to be very likely. But obviously, we're looking for this ABC for Terra here, which would see us having a nice full reversal. We've made these higher lows, and now I really want to be seeing it make higher highs. We've made a higher high here. We've come back down, retested, making a higher low. But now we really want to see Terra coming up and basically breaking through this historical resistance level that we've outlined here, this previous swing high that it currently seems to be trapped under. at around $8.50. If we can come past this $8.50 level, we do think that we're ripe for continuation with Terra. We'll probably see some bouncing around, maybe a retest here, and then another move to the upside. But obviously, as we said, things are heavily dependent on Bitcoin right now. And it seems very likely that until Bitcoin makes a decision, projects like Terra are probably going to stay crushed for quite a while. As we can see, it's still down massively from its all-time high. But I mean, wow, if you like Terra, what an opportunity to get in. Not financial advice, obviously, but if you're buying a project that you really, really believe in long-term, 70% down from its all-time high, that's essentially, it's going to take, what is this? All-time high of around $23, $24, current price of around $6 or $7. So it's a 3 or 4x just to get back to the all-time high. So incredible, incredible opportunity if you're interested in Terra for the long term. Just taking a look at the last day or so, it does look as though we flipped bullish on the EMAs again. As we can see here, we're bouncing in and around, bouncing off the 50 and continuing upwards. So provided that we can hold those levels, we do really want to see Terra heading up and testing this as we said, this $8.50 level. I think if we bounce off that, make the higher high, so we'd have the higher high here, higher low, and then the higher high. If we could bounce off that and retest these levels here as support at around $7 and then break this resistance, we would get that A, B, C, as we can see here, and then the extended D and E, where you essentially, you're reversing the trend that we've basically been in for the past few weeks, as you can see. Obviously, we got this absolute capitulation, but basically what it was is you got this A, B, C to the downside, as you can see here. But now we really want to see this A, B, C to the upside, and what we really need to see is essentially the higher high. So if we can get the higher high, then I do think things are going to look good for continuation for Terra. Obviously, things have changed a lot since we last covered it, where we did seem as though we were forming somewhat of a bull pennant like this, where we might break to the upside, but obviously we broke to the downside because of the sheer amount of capitulation in the market. But we do think personally Terra is a massive, massive project. It's probably going to have a good part to play in the future of crypto, in our opinion. DeFi in general, obviously, going to play a huge role once institutions start buying into it. We do think Terra is a project that has really good fundamentals, and obviously been absolutely crushed recently, but I mean 3 or 4x to the all-time high. What a discount potentially if you believe in this long term. So short-term price prediction, we do think Terra needs to get above this $8.50 level. If we can get above this and complete that A, B, C correction like this to the upside, maybe we can get this D wave down to retest and then an E wave. If we can get this E wave, if we get this C wave, sorry, at around $8.50, we could potentially break through this, maybe go into this $9 to $10 range in the short term. Long-term price prediction for Terra, we do really think that this is going to be well over $100 by the end of the bull run, with an all-time high of around $23. And considering all the utility that they're offering, they've got amazing set of protocols in their ecosystem. We do think this could be $100, $200, maybe even $300 by the end of the bull run, which would be a massive, massive 20, 30x, 10, 20 or 30x from the current price of around $6 or $7. So that's our update for Terra today, guys. We'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you have any comments, questions or suggestions, please let us know down in the comments section below. Please make sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can keep up to date with all of our videos. Remember to comment down below and be subscribed to enter into our brand new monthly giveaway for a hardware wallet. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, please sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, or sign up to YouTube membership by hitting the join button right next to the sub below this video, where you can get access to our private Discord. We're offering coin calls, one-to-one access to us personally, insight into our personal portfolio, daily research of crypto assets with massive potential, and access to our brand new 100x portfolio. With so many benefits, you might as well check it out below. Don't forget to get 2 free stocks with Webull by signing up and then depositing $100 using our link in the description below. You can quite literally deposit the $100, get your 2 free stocks and then withdraw the money, so there's no reason not to do that, and they could be valued all the way up to $600 each, $1,600 each. But don't forget to actually deposit as well after signing up, otherwise you won't receive the second stock. Scammers get worse every day, so make sure to protect yourself and your crypto online with PureVPN. Sign up below for some big discounts. You can get access to block content and protect yourself from phishing scams with super low monthly payments and high quality speeds. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.